Good morning. And I won't ask how was the Josh because I can feel the Josh. So there is a lot of Josh. Now, when Madhulika asked how many of you have visited Tiger, so I see many hands gone up. While you visit the forest, what they tell you there to observe? Silence, because and let the forest speak to you. See, in any dialogue, if you keep on speaking, right, will you listen or will you able to hear what other person is saying? No. Okay. Same way, this Tiger Day we celebrate to understand the language of tiger. What is language of tiger? It's not not just that, not just roar. Do you know that in forest, any animal never make sound without reason. आपण जसे उगाच ओरडतो हा हो करतो असं जंगलात कोणी करत नाही. If you have seen the forest, इथे जंगलात वाघ कोणी बघितलाय जंगलात? Who has seen the tiger in forest? Okay. Now, so again so many hands. Yes. Good. And now let me got it. Now let me ask another question, important question. How many of you, तुमच्यापैकी किती लोकांनी टायगरला जंगलात ओरडताना ऐकलंय? Okay? See? Yes. Now, how many of you have observed tiger in forest? उगाच ओरडत चाललाय. आता बघा किती कमी हँड आले. काही कारण नाही, टायगर रस्त्याने चाललाय आणि वा 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 म्हणून मोठ्याने ओरडलाय का? वाय सी देर आर almost every hand went up when I asked how many of people have gone to forest. Then at least 70% have seen the tigers. But when I said how many have seen tiger roaring without purpose, only 2 hands were there, and 2 are lucky ones. They must have seen tiger like you. आपण सगळेच जण, नॉट यू, घरात आपले आई बाबा ओरडतात नाही, बाबा ओरडतात नक्कीच घरात उगाच चौगाच. So but this is the difference in forest. In the forest, if tiger starts roaring without purpose, then entire forest will know की a tiger is here आणि मग त्याला जेवण मिळेल का? This is why silence is important. आणि तुमच्यातल्या ज्या लोकांनी जंगलात वाघ बघितलाय, they are lucky, very much lucky, because this is why, as Aditya said, we celebrate Tiger Day. The responsibility on you all is you are lucky enough to see a tiger in wildlife. Now you have got responsibility to show many other kids like you that tiger in the forest. आणि ते आपल्याला टायगरची भाषा समजून घेऊनच शक्य आहे. And that's why we all our team at Jungle Bell, सगळ्यांना जंगलात जाता येत नाही, आपण लकी आहोत आपल्याला जंगलात जाता आलं. त्यामुळे आणि आता मी म्हटलं की तुमची शाळा चालू आहे, and I said की now you can go to forest. Will you be able to go? No. You have got exam, you have got school, you have got routine, you have got homework, you have got so many things, right? So we have got tiger to you. Tiger इथे आणला आम्ही इथं. That's the presentation. Okay. Next. See, now this is the queen. Listen. What I said. We all are happy to see tiger, but if you watch silently what is happening, you can enjoy her. Ha video hai ka? Now, like we have got names. आपल्याला जसे नाव आहेत, तुमच्यातल्या प्रत्येकाला नाव आहेत आणि त्या नावाने शाळेत तुम्ही रोल नंबरला रोल कॉल देता, तसेच जंगलामध्ये प्रत्येक वाघाला नाव असतं. आणि देन एव्हरी टायगर इज डिफरंट. ओके, सो दिस इज वन टायग्रेस. आधी आहे फक्त. दिस इज वन व्हेरी पॉप्युलर टायग्रेस. आता कसं आहे माहितीये का, टायगर्स मध्ये पण काही स्टार्स असतात, सुपरस्टार्स असतात. जसं आपल्यामध्ये ऋत्विक रोशन आहे, सलमान खान आहे, तसं टायगर मध्ये पण काही पॉप्युलर टायगर आहे. तर शी इज वन ऑफ द व्हेरी पॉप्युलर टायग्रेस इन ताडोबा. हर नेम इज माया. Unfortunately, she is not being seen. She has vanished from the forest, and we start our Tiger Day presentation paying tribute to this legendary tigress Maya. Okay, hope that she is doing well, but then again every tiger has got its own lifespan. आपल्या घरी डॉग असतो, आपल्याकडे पेट, बरोबर आहे. डॉगचं लाईफ आपल्यापेक्षा कमी असतं. ओके, सो वी फील सॅड इफ डॉग गेट्स इल, डॉग गेट्स पास आउट बिफोर अस, बरोबर आहे. तसं टायगरचं पण लाईफ आपल्यापेक्षा खूप कमी असतं. अ टायगर्स लाईफ इज हार्डली 14 years to 15 years इन द वाइल्डरनेस. आणि नेक्स्ट, जंगलामध्ये कोणीही टायगरला तुमची आई जशी तुम्हाला टेबलावर जेवण सर्व करते तसं करत नाही. टायगर मे बी किंग ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, बट नोबडी सर्व्स फूड टू द किंग. He has to fight for his food. That's the biggest problem. Next. Now about tigers. See, these are some basic facts about tigers. In Indian forest, tiger is the biggest. Why tiger is king? Because it's the biggest predator. Correct? That's why he is the apex chain of the project tiger. Then every tiger is different. Every tiger जिंदा आहे म्हणजे प्रत्येक टायगर सेपरेट आहे. How you identify tiger? You identify tiger by his stripes. आपल्याला आपण कसे एकमेकांना ओळखतो? आपल्या फेस वरनं, राईट? एव्हरी फेस इज डिफरंट. यू आर सम 100-200 स्टुडंट्स सिटिंग हियर. एव्हरी फेस इज डिफरंट. सेम वे एव्हरी टायगर इज डिफरंट. नाव तुम्ही आता ओरडलात सगळ्या गुड मॉर्निंग म्हणून. ओके, हाऊ लाऊड दॅट साऊंड वॉज. इट मस्ट नॉट हॅव गॉट आउट ऑफ दिस. या रोडच्या पलीकडे पण गेला नसता. व्हेन अ टायगर रोअर्स, इट गोज टू 2 miles. म्हणजे इथनं टायगर ओरडला तर कोथरूड पर्यंत आवाज जातो. दॅट्स बट वेन ही रिझर्व्स दॅट एनर्जी. जर दररोजच तो ओरडायला लागला तर त्याचा आवाज म्याव सारखा होईल. So that's why you have to reserve your energy for shouting also. Important fact. I know you all can eat well. आपण सुद्धा एकदा जेवायला बसलो आणि त्यात मॅकडोनाल्ड सारखं काही खायला मिळालं तर भरपूर खातो. पण one tiger eats 35 kg meat at a time. That's the, and it is our duty to feed that tiger, to provide him that much meal, and for that you need forest. And this is where the tiger day's importance is most important, because तुम्ही टायगर घरात पाळू शकत नाही कुत्र्यासारखा. त्याला if you want tiger जिंदा है, you have to make ensure this much of food is available to the tiger, and that food is available only in forest. So if forest jinda hai, then only tiger can be jinda. Correct? Next. Now, as I told you, I have photographed. I was lucky to photograph few of the tigers, many of the tigers, and different names. See, these are the different names. Choti Madhu, Moti Madhu, असे वेगवेगळे नाव असतात त्यांचे. Next. Then this is, see, even tiger can watch his face in the mirror. That is the image. Now this cub, see, so small cub, it has to survive, and it is difficult. त्याला त्याच्या आई जरी जेवण आणून देत असली तरी त्याला लहान असताना टायगर त्याला पण खूप दुश्मन असतात. इवन अदर एनिमल्स लाईक लेपर्ड्स, जॅकल्स, वुल्फ, दे कॅन हंट टायगर कब्स ऑल्सो. यस. नेक्स्ट. These are again, see, these are twin cubs. Though they are twins, they are different when they grow up. Their stripes changes. Right now they look totally identical. But the moment they start growing up, their face changes, their stripes changes, and that's how we can identify the tiger. Next. Next. एक मिनिट मागे फक्त. हा, आधी. See, तुम्हाला सनी देओलचा एक फार फेमस डायलॉग आहे. Look at, this is the biggest tiger in Tadoba right now. This weighs near about 300 kg, and in one single fight by his paw, he can kill a wild buffalo also. That's his power. Next. As I say, two tigers. The problem with tiger is, like you all are sitting happily in this, you must be fighting within each other. Even you can fight with brother at home, at sister at home, that is different. But two tigers never stay together once they grow up. They have got their own area, their own forest, and in that forest only one tiger can stay. And that is the biggest problem in making challenge, in making the tiger survive. Because when you say you have to survive tiger, you have to let him grow, then you have to provide the forest where other tiger won't be there. So more tigers, you will need more forest. Otherwise, if two tigers come together in one forest, this is what happens. Next. Now, there are near about 6 subspecies of tiger. Out of them, we are fortunate. We have got Bengal tiger, which is Indian tiger. Then there are Siberian tiger. Do you know how rare Siberian tiger is? Who can say? Tell? Nine? It was a prank. That's fine. See, 50 square kilometer, 50 square kilometer मध्ये एक मेल टायगर असतो भारतामध्ये. Imagine. And Siberian tiger as 2000 स्क्वेअर किलोमीटर मध्ये एक टायगर असतो. एवढा मोठा आहे म्हणजे एंटायर पुणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट मध्ये एक टायगर फक्त. That rare Siberian tiger is. So then there is Sumatran tiger. In China also there are tigers, but their numbers are not officially declared. And then you have got Indo-Chinese tiger and Malayan tiger. So there are, once upon a time, entire world there were tigers, once upon a time. But because of this problem, because tiger can't live like a herd, like lions. You have seen Lion Kings? Yeah. In Lion King, lions stay together, lions stay by group, right? But tiger can't stay by group, and that's why tiger needs more forest than the lions. And that is the problem. The tigers are reducing, while you can see number of lions in Africa. Next. Now see, in 2006 there were hardly 1400 tigers, but with efforts of all people and then number of tiger parks, these are 80 national tiger parks right now in today and 441 sanctuaries. These are like hostels of our tigers. They stay there. These forests, these tiger parks are in a way hostels of our tigers. They stay there because forest is available there, food is available there. Next. Next. See there. When tiger cubs are small, Mowgli must have seen Tadoba, right? Yes. Okay. When tiger cubs are small, a mom has to take care of them till they become 2 years or 2.5 years, and after that they can go and hunt. In that time, mother not only protects them, mother tells them about the jungle, where there is water, where there are kills, where there are hiding places, and how to hunt. That all mom teaches her cubs, and that's how a tiger gets separated and start living on its own. Next. Can you imagine how this tiger must have come across a motorcycle? No. This is where, imagine you are living in Pune and suddenly on road a tiger appears. What will be your reaction? Well, not only you, I will also run away and I will take shelter in either my home or my school or in any building, right? But then there are people who has to live around the forest, who has to live around the tigers. During our recent trip, when we were traveling on a jungle road, this tigress was coming and from the forest, and we could see her. And then from opposite side, 2 people were coming on 2-wheelers. They were villagers, okay. And we told them to stop wherever they are. Unfortunately, they couldn't see us, and they came directly where the tigress was crossing. The moment tigress saw them, she started advancing towards them. Poor fellow parked their vehicle on the road and jumped in our car. That's why they survived. Okay. Not only that, but tigress was very much curious. What is this animal? So she didn't went away. She made round up this motorcycle because her cubs were behind her, and she wasn't ready to take any chances with her cubs. This animal she has not seen. So she ensured that this animal is not harmful to her cubs, and then only she went along with her cubs. This is how a mom is. Next. This is again one biggest tiger, and this tiger Noor is in Ranthambore and Rajasthan. Next. Next. Now. This is how this is a tigress in Tadoba, and now imagine size of this wild boar. If a tiger is king of a forest, then a tigress is queen of forest, right? But then the queen tag, she has to earn. A queen just don't become queen by taking birth in a kingdom. She has to fight for her kingdom. She has to hunt. She has to. When a tiger tries 25 times minimum tiger tries for a hunt, 26th time average it gets succeeded in killing. Now imagine, तुम्ही तुमच्या आईला घरी 25 वेळा जेवण मागितलं आणि 26व्या वेळेस तुम्हाला जेवण दिलं. 26 time, 25th time you keep on asking, आई भूक लागली, आई भूक लागली, आई भूक लागली, and you don't get food. 26th time you get food. Will it be a king life or queen life? No. They're still doing that. 25 average times tiger tries to kill a deer or a wild boar, and in that time it don't get succeeded, and then it gets succeeded and it get killed, and it has to fight for every bite. आपल्या इथे you don't have to fight for every bite. There are many people who have to fight for bite. One of them is tigers, and that's why we have to understand this fact about tiger. And if at all we can make his fight less for every bite, that will be the best thing for tiger. Next. See, these are the some cute moments with tigers, and we all enjoy at our home with your mom. While you go to your home, your mom waiting for you. But in forest, a mother has to be very careful for her cubs. Next. See. Now imagine your rickshaw wale kaka is going and some tiger is coming like this in road. Then you will have to say, we love tiger. Then I will like to see how many faces say, wow, if a tiger come like this you on road. Right? So this is how we'll ask them. This is how life of tiger is. This is how tiger can be protected, where humans and tigers start living together. Next. This is a now how you measure number of tigers. Number of tigers. See, tiger won't come in front of you and count me. तुम्ही जशी हजेरी लावता, प्रेझेंटी लावता, tiger will tiger come for presenting? No. So you have to go to tiger and you have to ask tiger to show his presence. A tiger shows his presence in different ways, not only by his photographs. He is leaving his pug marks. From pug mark size, photograph of tigers are counted. From stripes of tigers, a tiger is measured, and then these type of measurements, these type of surveys are going all over the year long, and from that you measure the number of tigers. And then there are camera traps where the cameras are fixed. If a tiger crosses through that trap, it gets counted, and that's how you get to know number of tigers. Next. Then there are now about the why we celebrate. You answered why we celebrate Tigers Day. International Tiger Day is celebrated to make people aware about our responsibility towards tiger population and towards making tiger survive. And there are many initiatives, like in our Pune district there is no tiger, but there are highways from the forest where highways passes out. On that highways every year 110 tigers dies out of accidents, electrocuting, getting under railway, getting under trucks in the entire country. And to avoid that, to make people aware, this day is taken as a symbol. So like zebra crossing, now in forest area they don't call zebra crossing, they call tiger crossing, and that's why their zebra crossing is like this. This is so the driver will be aware that a tiger can cross the road, like you see the earlier slide, that how the tiger was crossing in between. Imagine in that two-wheelerच्या जागी जर ट्रक असता तर त्यांनी टायगरला उडवला असता. We would have lost one tiger, like we lost many tigers. Next. See, why tiger is important? What do you learn from tiger? I have learned many things from tiger when I see in tiger. Hereafter, whenever you will be going into forest, don't just get excited by seeing tiger. Do get excited. I also get excited seeing after so many tigers. But there is a lot to learn from tiger. A tiger never kills. unless and until it is hungry. I have clicked this photograph while a tiger walked right through the herd of deer. No deer he killed. Neither deer was afraid because deer was knowing कि tiger is not hungry, he is not going to kill. आपल्यासारखं नाही आहे, घरात जेवलो आणि बाहेर मॅकडी दिसलं की एक खाल्ला बर्गर आपण. बरोबर आहे की नाही? So a tiger lives by his needs, not by greed. And this is what we have to understand on this Tiger Day. We should start living by our needs and not just by greed. Then entire other tigers and deers and all species will be comfortable. That is our responsibility. Next. In forest, if you go to see the tiger, you can see many things, not just tiger. Because tiger is just one of the link of that thing. Like here I observe one thing. What is the difference in this photograph you see? काय वेगळं आहे इथे? Deer आहे. But what is difference? See, all deers are drinking water. One is their leader and he is not drinking. Because when an animal is drinking water in the forest, at that time it's most vulnerable for attack. कारण इथेच जेव्हा सगळे हरण पाणी पितात आहे, त्याच वेळेस टायगर मागणे येऊन एखाद्याला किल करू शकतो. That's why to keep an eye, a leader is always behind. This is what we have to learn from the forest. When you are leader, this is specifically for the class teachers of class leaders of your classes. की सगळ्या पहिले सगळ्या आपल्या क्लासमेट्सना सर्व करायचं असतं आणि मग आपण पाणी प्यायचं असतं. That's how we get into learn from the forest. Next. Now look, this face. आता तुम्ही सगळे इथे बसलात, ओके? तुम्ही वाघ बघितला. You are lucky enough. You have traveled to forest. Today we are celebrating Tiger Day. You are having guests like Aditya sir, Madhulika and lecture, and we are enjoying this conversation. We are seeing those nice photographs. This kid is of your age only. He don't know. He don't need to celebrate Tiger Day because when I click this photograph, a tiger was sleeping here. He has his parents were working in the forest. They were forest labor, and he has to literally live within the tiger. And then, if you keep him unhappy, if you don't give him food, if you don't give him job, he will become enemy of tiger because he is afraid of all the damn tiger. Our job is to protect not just tiger, but protect all just kids and people living around the tiger. If they are happy, they are comfortable, they are peaceful, they will protect the tiger actually. So our job is not to go and adopt some tiger. Our job is to take care of these kids and these people who live in the forest. Next. See, this is how a tiger is. A tiger, unless provoked, tiger is gentleman of the forest. They call tiger as a gentleman of the forest. Unless and until you provoke tiger will never harm any human being. Never. He will be curious. Like our dog is also curious. Somebody coming to our home, our dog goes and sniffs. Who is this guy? Like that, this will be curious. But he will never harm you. Next. See, see, these are labor working in the forest. And a tiger is silently walking behind them. But you see that it's not looking at them, neither is intended to attacking on them. My car was right behind them and I have collected this photo. The moment we saw the tiger behind them, I shouted, there is a tiger. Those guys went inside, tiger went straight. That is gentleman. Because first, a tiger never considers human his enemy. It's human who considers tiger as our enemy. That is the problem. Next. See, this is just like we all, a tiger needs family, a tiger needs mom, a tiger needs home. His needs are equally simple. But for you, your parents are doing everything. For your parents, there are engineers, there are doctors, there are school teachers. They take care of you. Who is for tiger? For tiger, his mom is the only everything. His mom is his builder, his mom is his doctor, his mom is his lawyer, his mom is his teacher, everything. And his mom, and what his mom needs? His mom needs a small home. Next. Next. Now, what you and me can do to save the tiger? Try to make people aware about the forest. Try to save the forest. So the tiger, it's a tiger's home, like other species home. If you make that home survive, tigers will survive. Don't encourage any animal material. We don't, I know, but still, whenever you see, whenever you come to know, try to resist that. Next. See, this is how, this is a tiger cub which has been hit by a speeding car. So while you are, and this is just a tiger. When you travel outside of Pune, right, even to Tamini or Mulchi or beyond our Chandni Chowk also, even snakes and lizards get killed under our cars. So whenever you try to drive from the forest or wildlife, see that your car don't kill a single animal, because that animal may not be tiger, but that animal can be food of tiger. So indirectly, if you are killing food of tiger, you are killing tiger. Next. Then stop pollution. This photograph I clicked in Ranthambore forest. This is a cement bag, plastic bag. First I thought a tiger is carrying some bird in his mouth, but then when I saw, it's a carry bag. Some guy must have thrown it, and the poor fellow was playing it. उद्या जर ही पिशवी त्याच्या तोंडात अडकली, दातात अडकली, कोणी काढणारा डॉक्टर नाही त्याच्या तोंडात नाही. It will die out of it. Next. This is where today's day is important. Like, look at the tiger. It is looking into dark. It is darkness ahead. Imagine, number of tigers are increasing. Agreed. It's a pride for our entire nation that in entire world, only in India, tiger numbers are increasing. And that is because of the efforts of everybody. And tomorrow you all will be joining to that efforts. Then I will say कि you all really deserve to celebrate Tiger Day. Next. Now how you can do? Like, this is our Jungle Bell teams people. There are people, I told you, जे लोक जंगलाभोवती राहतात, गार्ड्स असतात, गाईड्स असतात. तुम्ही त्यांना तुमचे वापरलेले चांगले कपडे देऊ शकता. तुम्ही त्यांना फायनान्शियली मदत करू शकता. Then they will be comfortable in the forest where they are taking care of the tigers. I will show film आहे त्याच्यात कुठली? Now we will show a small film about the tiger and then we will conclude.
ही फिल्म सगळ्यांनी कान देऊन ऐकायची आहे. सगळ्या मुलांनी सगळ्यांनी इकडे लक्ष द्यायचं.
Can we all keep quiet, please?
झाले सार झाले की होतील.
मुलांनो,
हा आदित्य होईल ते एकदा सुरू झाले की होईल ते. This is Maya again, na? This is Maya and her cub. And in Tadoba.
झाले ना?
काय
झालंय ना?
काय
झालं नाही तर
हो झालं.
अरे रामू काकाला ऍडमिट केला.
मला ऐकू तरी येत नाहीत ना शब्द. तुम्ही शांत बसला नाही तर कसं ऐकू येईल? व्हॉइस बोलत
Read the words. Read the words. Hello. I hope you enjoyed the show. And see what was the closing sentence of that slide or film. Protect my home. See, a tiger is appealing to you. At the start, when Aditya asked, you said it's tiger's birthday, right? Tiger Day, one boy said it's a tiger's birthday. Yes, if it is a tiger's birthday, then a tiger deserves gift, right? Birthday gift he deserves. So let us take a pledge today. What will be tiger's birthday gift? It will be if we all take a pledge that yes, tiger, we will protect your home. That's the best gift it wants from us. So today, all let us take a pledge. Each of us will protect tiger's home, that is forest, and that will be our gift to tiger. Thank you.